Welcome guys. This video explains the different types of solar panels which are available. Let us get into the video. So the major classification of solar panels includes monocrystalline panels, polycrystalline panels and thin film panels. So these are the three different types of solar cells which are available. So we can see differences in terms of appearance, in terms of efficiencies, in terms of their performance. So I am showing you a comparison table which is taken from the website energysage.com. Generally monocrystalline solar panels are having very high efficiencies and high performance, and its aesthetics also good, it looks good. But the major disadvantage with the monocrystalline panel is the higher cost, whereas polycrystalline is relatively lower cost, but the disadvantage with the polycrystalline cell is the relatively lower performance than the monocrystalline solar panels. Then comes the thin film solar panels. So they are portable and flexible, they are lightweight, they are also having very good aesthetics, but the very bad disadvantage involved in that is lowest efficiency among all these three, and the price is also relatively lower, that is an advantage. Then see, the monocrystalline and polycrystalline are more or less similar in terms of construction because they are both are produced by silicon wafers. The wafers are assembled into rows and columns to form a rectangle, and it is covered with a glass sheet and framed together. So this is the general construction feature of the solar panels. So in monocrystalline and polycrystalline panels, we can see a difference in terms of composition of the silicon content itself. So if you see in monocrystalline solar panels, they are cut from a single pure crystal of silicon. So whereas the polycrystalline solar cells are composed of fragments of silicon crystals, so they are melted together and then it has been molded and cut into wafers. So this is the major difference between the monocrystalline and polycrystalline solar panels. Monocrystalline panels are cut from a single pure crystal, whereas polycrystalline solar panels are manufactured by fragments of silicon crystals which are melted together and molded and cut into the wafers. So this is the main difference between the monocrystalline panels and the polycrystalline panels. And then comes the thin film solar panels. They are differently fabricated. They are made from different materials, and the most common material which is used for fabricating thin film solar panel is cadmium telluride. This is the most common material which is being used for fabricating thin film solar panels. And then the manufacturers place a layer of cadmium telluride between transparent conducting layers like glass. That should be transparent conducting material. And one more material which is commonly used in thin film solar panel is the copper indium gallium selenide. So this is one more popular material which is being used in thin film solar panels. And let us come to the appearance of the panel. So first of all, we will see the appearance of monocrystalline solar panels. So monocrystalline solar panels appears black. That is because of the interaction with the light of the silicon crystal. So it generally it appears black, but the back sheets and the frames are made up of different colors, so in order to have good aesthetics. Then go to the polycrystalline solar panels. They are generally bluish in color. They are having bluish hue because of the silicon fragments reflects in different way when compared to the monocrystalline solar panels. So similar to that of monocrystalline solar panels, they are having the polycrystalline solar panels also having different types of colors for the back sheets and the frames. Then the thin film solar panels. So by the name itself, it says that it is very thin. So and sometimes that is flexible. So it is thinner than another panels. Unbelievably, it is roughly 350 times thinner than the crystalline wafers used in monocrystalline and polycrystalline solar panels. That is so much thin. And this is also comes from different colors, blackish or bluish colors based on the material what they are using in the fabrication process. So bifacial solar panels are also available. That means both the sides of the panel, the top side and bottom side, will be active. In both the sides we are having solar cells. So in these types of solar panels, it captures sunlight from both front and back of the panel, and in order to receive the light to the back side of the panel, it is made up of transparent back sheets so that the sunlight can go through the panel to the back side. So as the electricity is produced on both the sides, it produces more electricity than when compared to the traditional solar panels. Then here is a comparison between monocrystalline, polycrystalline and thin film panels. So the monocrystalline panels are 14 to 18% efficiency. That is very good efficiency in solar cells. And polycrystalline panels, they are having only 12 to 14% of efficiency. And thin film panels, they are having very low efficiency, that is 5 to 6%. And we can also see the life of the panels. Monocrystalline panels having good life 25 to 30 years, whereas polycrystalline panels having relatively lower life 20 to 25 years, and thin film panels having very low than the other two types of panels, which is having a life of 15 to 20 years of lifespan. The hail resistance means the resistance for impact. So it is having resistance for impact, and also it is having 25 years of warranty generally. And that's all about the different types of solar panels. Thank you.